Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today what I'm going to do is, I love citrus, and sometimes it doesn't always look too great in the store, or you just can't afford it that day, or whatever it might be. But I love to have it in my drinks, especially like my teas. So what I do is I buy up a couple when they're looking good, and I slice up a few so I can have these in my drinks. I'll just do a couple so you can get the idea. Never going to throw these ends away. I'm going to keep those to make a scent pot or clean your cutting board, something like that. Or I just stuff those in the fridge freezer as well and stick them in my orange juice in the morning, or my tea. It just gives it a little flavor. So you could lay these out on a sheet pan if you wanted to and freeze them that way. But what I'm going to do is just throw them in the baggie. And keep them in my freezer. And they're all set, so when I want to, some of them I'm going to do in half too. So when I need a little citrus in whatever I'm drinking, I have a few small ones too. And you could also do them in fours if you want to have some littler pieces. But these will stay great in the freezer for quite a while. I use them in whatever I want a citrus in. I hope you give this one a try. It's very easy, and even if you wanted to make, like some lemonade or limeade, you can use these. The ones that are already frozen up for you, just pull one or two out, zip it back up, and keep them in the freezer. Thanks for watching. Give this one a try. If you're a citrus lover like me, this is a great idea for you. And it's so simple, and it's prepared and made ahead. And keeping things made up ahead makes your life a lot easier, I think, anyway. Thank you. See you in the next video.